Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to improve your communication skills. Communication is an essential skill for success in both your personal and professional life. It's how we connect with others, share our ideas, and build relationships. There are a lot of different things you can do to improve your communication skills. Here are a few tips. Number 1. Be an active listener. This means paying attention to what the other person is saying, both verbally and non-verbally. It also means asking questions to clarify what you're hearing. Number 2. Be clear and concise. When you're speaking, make sure your message is easy to understand. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Number 3. Be confident. When you speak, project your voice and make eye contact. This will help you to come across as confident and credible. Number 4. Be aware of your body language. Your body language can communicate a lot about you, so be mindful of how you are sitting, standing, and gesturing. Number 5. Practice. The more you practice communicating, the better you'll become at it. So find opportunities to talk to people, both in person and online. Improving your communication skills takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By following these tips, you can become a more effective communicator and connect with others more easily. We have some additional tips for you. Number 1. Use humor. Humor can be a great way to connect with people and make your message more memorable. Number 2. Be respectful. Even if you disagree with someone, it's important to be respectful of their point of view. Number 3. Be open to feedback. Ask people for feedback on your communication skills so you can identify areas where you can improve. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on communication skills and other topics.